Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Shure Stem Table intercom speaker as part of your Stem ecosystem web interface network, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this Stem table is not connecting to something or it's not responding, it seems to be frozen, it's not working, anything like that where you're trying to do troubleshooting can very often be fixed with a factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up someplace new on a new network and everything like that, you just want to get a fresh start by wiping everything off of it so it can set it up like a new device. It's quite easy to do. Just keep in mind when you do this, this will reset this table mic and any other thing in the Stem ecosystem that's paired with it. It will reset the whole ecosystem. So what we're going to do is we're just going to come in and we're going to press and hold the up and down buttons for about 5 seconds until the speaker reads out the IP address. Once that happens, we're going to release and then start pressing the volume up button. So we need to release first, and then within 2 seconds, start just pressing the up button for at least 5 seconds until we start to see red flashing lights on this unit and actually any other unit that's in the ecosystem will start to reset. And then about 5 seconds after that, everything will restart into its factory default settings, and you can go ahead and set it up like new.